Hello everyone, how are you all? As in the previous class, we learned about the positive way of do this plus action first. So now we learn about the negative way of do this plus action first. As I told you, in positive we don't use do and we add s or es in action first. But if we talk about the negative way of do this plus action first, we will add both do and does. ओके विल यूज दीज ओके अभी हमें नेगेटिव वे में इन दोनों का हमें यूज करना सो डू एंड नॉट डज नॉट सो don't is the contraction of do not and doesn't is the contraction of does not. Okay, we use don't and doesn't in negative way as it is a negative way, so we will use it. Okay, negative way है तो not आएगा and we'll use the contraction of do not and does not. Okay, so as you know that we use do with I, we, you, they, and does with he, she, it, or any other name. Okay, so there are some examples of both positive and negative. So how will you use positive and how will change them in negative? As in positive way, we say he speaks Spanish. In negative, we say he doesn't speak Spanish. Okay. So look this. I didn't add S or ES with action first. The reason is S or yes has been added with do means यहाँ does बनकर ये पूरा आ गया है so that's why we will not add S or yes in action first. Okay, so look at some other examples. She speaks Italian and she doesn't speak Italian. Okay, again यहाँ पे हमने दोबारा से S और yes को ऐड नहीं किया है just because of one thing because does यहाँ पे हमारा use हो रहा है so we will not S or yes. Okay, so the rule is if does come in the sentence, we will not add s or yes in action first. Okay, अगर does हमारा सेंटेंस में आ जाता है तो हम उसमें एक्शन फर्स्ट में s और yes को ऐड नहीं करते हैं. Okay, so some other examples are I need help. In negative, I don't need help. In positive, he needs help. In negative, he doesn't need help. Again हमने s और yes को ऐड किया. The reason वही है कि does आ गया तो that's why we haven't added it s or yes. Okay, so let's practice it. I speak Spanish. The positive way, but now we are talking about negative. So we'll say I don't speak Spanish. We don't speak Spanish. They don't speak Spanish. He doesn't speak Spanish. She doesn't speak Spanish. It doesn't speak Spanish. Mr. Singh doesn't speak Spanish. Okay. Random it. I don't speak Spanish. He doesn't speak Spanish. She doesn't speak Spanish. We don't speak Spanish. They don't speak Spanish. Mr. Singh doesn't speak Spanish. Okay. Now take other example. I don't need help. We don't need help. They don't need help. You don't need help. He doesn't need help. She doesn't need help. It doesn't need help. Mr. Singh doesn't need help. Okay, now random it. I don't need help. She doesn't need help. We don't need help. He doesn't need help. You don't need help. I don't need help. Mr. Singh doesn't need help. We don't need help. They don't need help. She doesn't need help. It doesn't need help. Mr. Singh doesn't need help. Okay, so we'll practice like this and make it clear. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye everyone.